Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by creating the project and importing assets so edits are precise. First, open Inshot and pick photo, then choose the correct aspect ratio for your platform. This prevents cropping later. Import your images in the order you want them to appear. Once done, tap the music icon and add the song from your device or Inshot library so you can edit visuals to beats. Make sure high-quality export is on to preserve detail during final save. Now you refine each photo and synchronize it with the song for rhythm and flow. You should crop, adjust exposure and color, and apply a matching filter across images so the sequence looks cohesive. Use duration to set how long each photo shows and split to cut at beat points. This aligns visual changes with the music. Add Ken Burns or zoom effects to introduce motion, and use keyframes for pinpoint positioning when you need precise movement tied to musical hits. Finish by polishing transitions and audio so the piece feels professional. Add quick transitions and captions where needed, then set audio fade in and fade out to avoid harsh cuts. This improves flow. Preview the full timeline from start to finish, check that clips hit the beats, and export at the resolution and frame rate you need. If timing drifts, make sure to nudge clips slightly, resnap to the beat grid, or resplit audio. This fixes sync issues without redoing your entire.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.